Okay, family, here we are. Today I'm gonna follow a request from many of you that let me know that they want to know how do I mix my cloud mix to get the cloud effect. So today I'm gonna be doing it so that you guys see how I do it. Okay. You know that we need the deco art satin enamel. And I'm gonna do it according to what I showed you the other day. Plus, I'm gonna give you another mix that I do, and then we're gonna be doing a couple paints so that you guys can see the difference. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So, the first one we're gonna be doing is 1 part deco art, 1 part artist love, 1 part flotteral, and half part of Elmer glue all. Okay. And if we need a small amount of water to get the consistency, we will be adding it. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is getting this open. It's a brand new jar. All right. And we're gonna be adding 1 part, which I normally do it this way, is half cup. Okay. Then we're gonna add 1 part of the artist love. There. Then we're gonna add the flotteral. I always strain my flotteral so that I don't get any particles there, which is this is another part. I reached. And we're gonna add half the measurement of the glue all. All right, there we go. That would be plenty. All right. Then I'm gonna mix it. Just make sure that everything is well incorporated. I'm scratching the bottom to make the satin enamel go all the way. Scratch the walls. Keep adding mixture. As you see, it's very thick. So the only way to get that to the proper consistency is adding a little water. And I don't use any water, I use the style water, right? So I'm gonna be adding a little and keep shaking until I get the desired consistency, which is like, I don't know why I always think of a pancake mix or honey. That's what we want. We don't want it to be too thin so that it doesn't hold, but we also don't want it to be too thick because then that will promote crackings, and we don't like crackings. Okay? see it forms a small amount of like a mountain, but it goes immediately to the bottom. I'm getting close to that consistency that I like. We'll just add a little more. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Now I like it. See, this is so cool now. Very nice. Let me make sure that I scrape all the walls. And then we're gonna find the correct bottle. I always mark Deco Art plus Artist Love plus Flotterol and PVA without silicone, okay? I just put it direct from here. Try not to make a mess. And normally it fills the bottle. And I'm gonna leave something for the example that we're gonna be doing later on. So I'm gonna put that on a small cup. This will be plenty for what we're gonna be doing today. So let me scrape this so that we can start the second recipe, okay? This is how I do it. And I'll be right back with the second cloud recipe. Hold on, guys. So I don't want to mix paints later on, so I'm going to be just putting that in that corner. We're going to remove the flotterol from here and the glue. We'll keep the water there because if we need it, and then we'll introduce the pouring media. I put it in a flotterol bottle, yeah? But this is the pouring media that I showed you in another video how to do it. Anyway, just to remind you, my pouring media recipe is 3 parts flotterol with 3 parts polyacrylic. Okay, that's the main wax I use, but you guys can also use the Liquitex, okay? The pouring medium, you can use that also instead of polyacrylic, it's the same. So, actually it's not the same. Polyacrylic, you know, tends to yellow white later on, so that's why Liquitex is also very good. And then 2 parts the glue recipe. What's the glue recipe? The glue recipe is easy. It's 3 parts of Elmer glue and 1 part of water, okay? So that I already have prepared in another jar, which is glue and water, and I already added to the pouring media with the flotterol and the Liquitex or polyacrylic. So this is it. This is a pouring media. This is a lot easier. We're gonna be mixing again in this cup. We're going for the cloud mix number 2. The cloud mix number 2 is 1 part Deco Art, you know, 1 part Acrylic Artist Love, and 1 part the pouring media. And if we need water to consistency, then we add the water. So let's begin like we did before, adding 1 part of the paint. 1 part of the artist love white to make it to a cup. Okay, now we have a cup there. And we're gonna add our media. I don't need this. This is for photo. 1 part. It's gonna be up to there. I'm gonna mix. Now we're gonna find another button and we're gonna do the same. We already marked this one, Deco Art plus Artist Loft and pouring media, no silicone. You see, I haven't added any silicone in any part of the procedure. Okay, then I'm gonna keep something outside of this button for the example that we're gonna be doing later on. We're gonna test this immediately so that you guys know the difference between one and the other. Let me just get this one covered, put it here, and all right. Hi family, this is a very short video showing you the paints that I'm gonna be giving away to celebrate the 500 subscriber in YouTube. It's a 10 by 20 that was done with a 3 cup in 1 cup, a dirty pour, and these 2 beauties here with the bottle bottom pour. In order to get subscribed for that drawing, you have to go to radacrylic.com. That's my website where I sell all my paintings. And there's a section there that you can send me a message, right? And as soon as I receive that, I will be including you in the drawing. It's gonna be taking place now in the month of April. The exact date will be given away very soon. So get involved. Just send me a note and I will include you. All right? Thank you very much for your subscriptions and keep on watching. More to come. Take care.